Site tracking can be used to create truly dynamic marketing that responds to the behavior of individual contacts. A contact viewing a particular page of your website can tell you quite a bit if you're willing to make some assumptions. For instance, the product pages a visitor chooses to click into tell you at least that those products were more appealing than the other ones listed there. If they go on to repeatedly view certain product pages, you could assume those are the ones they are most interested in out of all the ones they chose to view. If they leave your site and then come back to view a specific product page, you can assume they are quite interested in that particular product. In this way, you can figure out what content and products your contact is interested in. Knowing this is important so that you can create personalized and targeted follow-up which focuses on the exact topics they are interested in and offers the exact products they are most likely to buy. This quick win walkthrough will cover setting up an automation that is triggered when someone views an important page of your website repeatedly. It might be your pricing page for your service, or it might be a particular high-value product. Whatever you decide to go with, we'll apply a tag so that this can be used to create segments and send targeted mailings to those contacts. First, go to Automations and then New Automation. Give the automation a descriptive name such as interest tagging for product name. Use web pages visited as the action that will begin the automation. Enter the URL of the product page. Select Runs multiple times because we want this automation to run each time they visit. Next, add an if-else condition by clicking the plus button. From the Conditions and Workflow category, select If-else. Under the drop-down menu, go to the Site and Event Data category and then select Has Visited, URL, and then input the complete URL including the HTTP. You could approach this any number of ways, but I'd suggest selecting 2 to 5 times. If they only visit the URL once, they might not have liked what they saw. If they came back, I think it's safe to assume they were interested. Under the Yes path, add another action for Apply tag under the Contacts category. Try to give the tag a descriptive name such as interested in product name. With this automation, every time a contact visits your product URL, they will run through this process. If they visited less than 2 times or more than 5 times, they will go to the No path and the automation will end. Once they visit the product page a second time, they will go through the Yes path and the tag you created will be applied. Now you can create a segment that looks for the tag you created. As contacts are given this tag, they will automatically be added to that segment. You can send very targeted content and offers to that segment of people who have indicated interest in that particular product. That concludes this quick win walkthrough. If you have any questions about how to set up this automation, please contact our customer support team.